Welcome back to infyGyan, friends. In this video, we have one very interesting question from algebra. X power 5 plus 5 plus 1 over x power 5 equal to 9 cube, x cube minus 3 plus 1 over x cube equal to a square, and we are going to calculate the value of a. So let's get started by writing 9 cube equal to 729. Now I will take this 5 to the RHS. So our equation will become x power 5 plus 1 over x power 5 equal to 729 minus 5, 724. Right hand side is positive, so LHS must be positive. So x power 5 will be positive. So x must be positive. Now I will consider our substitution. Let us call 1 over x equal to y. Once x is positive, y will be positive. Now this is our substitution. So from this substitution I can write xy equal to 1, and this I will call equation number 1. Now what will happen to the equation after substitution? It will become x power 5 plus 1 over x power 5, I will write y power 5 equal to 724, and this I will call equation number 2. Now our target is 1 over x cube, I will write y cube. So my target is x cube plus y cube minus 3, and then I will equate with a square to find a. So target expression must be x cube plus y cube. So let's solve this system. Xy equal to 1, x power 5 plus y power 5, 724. For the target expression x cube plus y cube. So I will write x power 5 plus y power 5 equal to 724, x comma y equal to 1, and we are looking for x cube plus y cube value. I will use binomial expansion. Let me write here x plus y whole power 5. So I can write x power 5 plus y power 5 plus 5xy xy in bracket x cube plus y cube plus 10x square y square in bracket x plus y. Now xy is 1. So here it will be 1. Here it will be 1. Now x cube plus y cube. Let us write x plus y whole power 5 equal to x power 5 plus y power 5 is 724 plus 5 times x cube plus y cube plus 10 times x plus y. Now x cube plus y cube is required. So I will write x plus y whole power 5 equal to 724 plus 5 times. Now I can use algebraic identity x plus y whole cube minus 3xy in bracket x plus y, and then we have 10 times x plus y. Now here I will be writing 1. So I will write x plus y whole power 5 equal to 724 plus 5 times x plus y whole cube minus 15x plus y plus 10x plus y. Now let's use substitution. X plus y equal to u. X is positive, y is positive, so u must be always positive for real solutions. So I will get my equation u power 5 equal to 724 plus 5u cube and then minus 5u. Let us rewrite here. So u power 5 minus 5u cube plus 5u, then we have minus 724 equal to 0. Now this is one quintic equation. I will use rational root theorem and synthetic division method to solve this. Condition on u is u should be always greater than 0. So first we will write all the eligible factors of constant term. It would be plus minus 1, plus minus 2, plus minus 4, plus minus 181, plus minus 362 and plus minus 724. And if you will see the leading coefficient, then only plus minus 1. So let's begin with u equal to 1. Will it satisfy 1 minus 5 plus 5 minus 724? No, it will not. If I will apply u equal to 2, it will not, because minus 724 is big number. Let us write and check u equal to 4. So 4 power 5, 1024 minus 64 times 5, 320 plus 5 times 4, 20 minus 724. If I will add both the positive numbers, it will give us 1044 minus 1044. So yes, this is true. Y equal to 4 is our base solution. Now let's use synthetic division method. I need to write all the coefficients of quintic equation. So 1, 0, minus 5, 0, 5, minus 724. Leading coefficient 1 as it is. 4 times 1, 4, 4. 4 times 4, 16, 11. 4 times 11, 44, 44. 4 times 44, 176, 181. 4 times 181, 724. So these are coefficients for quadratic equation. So I will be writing here u power 4 plus 4u cube plus 11u square plus 44u plus 181 equal to 0. If you will notice, this is one quadratic equation whose coefficients are positive only. So negative u value will satisfy this and our condition will be u positive. So we won't get any positive solution of this quadratic equation. So we will be rejecting this equation as u is always positive. But from this equation, we will get u negative. So we will be rejecting this. Rejected. So which solution we are going to accept? It is u equal to 4. Let us write here. So u equal to 4. U was our substitution, x plus y equal to 4. Our target expression is x cube plus y cube. This value we need to find out. Now I will consider cubing both sides. So I will write x plus y whole cube equal to 4 cube. So x cube plus y cube plus 3xy in bracket x plus y equal to 64. Now x times y is 1, x plus y is 4. So I will be writing 4 here. So x cube plus y cube plus 3 times 1 times 4 equal to 64. X cube plus y cube, this will be equal to 64 minus 12 equal to 52. Now left hand side, x cube plus y cube minus 3. Let me write here x cube minus 3 plus 1 by x cube equal to a square. Now I can write this x cube and this value is y cube. Minus 3 equal to a square. This is 52. Minus 3 equal to a square. So a square is equal to 49, which is a square of 7. So I will write 7 whole square. After taking square root both sides, we will get a is equal to plus minus 7. Any condition on a? No. So we will get a equal to plus 7 and a equal to minus 7. Let me write here. So our final answer will become plus 7 and minus 7. And this brings the end of the video. Do not forget friends to like, share and subscribe. Bye bye till next video. Good luck. Take care of yourself and goodbye.